Do you guys have customers in Asia, Europe, as well as the U.S.?
Yeah, so in Indonesia, there's a domestic content requirement, and so we do supply the Indonesian market with modules. We do have, so our largest customers here in the U.S. are large Spanish IPPs, and so our secondary market is Spain. We do sell modules into Spain, but the U.S. is our primary market. I mean, we do most of our business here. We do quite a bit of business through distribution, residential, but, we do large utility projects as well.
So, when I used to run a distribution company, Civic Solar, people used to ask us, so how did you guys carve your market share? Because there's so many players trying to do that. And in a way, I can ask you the same question. The hell did you manage to carve a respectable market share in a super competitive market like panel manufacturing?
Yeah, so
especially in the U.S.
Yeah, we really don't have the OpEx that a lot of our competitors do.
Yeah.
And so we had the advantages of when we started, technology was pretty reliable at that point. P-type was very reliable, and so as we didn't have to have the huge fumbles, we didn't have to have the huge workforce that other folks again leveraged a lot of contract manufacturing when we began in our office in Nanjing. We have a number of employees in Indonesia, and then here in the U.S. we employ about 300 plus folks in Houston, and then obviously sales and other roles kind of scattered throughout.